You can see the field on your screen. Playwright says it does not exist. There are 2 reasons for that, and today you learn both. 3 things today. A page hidden inside another page. A brand new tab that opens on you. And 1 pattern you will keep meeting. Let us start with the one that catches almost everybody out. An iframe is a whole web page living inside another web page. Look at the shape. There is your page. And then right in the middle of it, a second page starts. Payment forms, embedded videos, and chat widgets are almost always built this way. Watch what your locator does. It searches your page, top to bottom, and stops at the edge of that second page. You can see the card field. It just lives somewhere the search cannot reach. Now step across the border, and the same locator finds it. So here is the fix, and it is 1 extra step. The first line is the one that fails. The second line steps inside the frame first. And then the third line is your normal locator again, chained onto it. Same spotlight, just pointed into the right room. Keep this one in your pocket. If you can see it but the test cannot, suspect an iframe first. Here are 2 real symptoms. Only one of them is an iframe. Quick check. You can see the chat box, but get by placeholder times out on it. Most likely cause? Pause here if you want a longer look. Ready? The answer is B. It is sitting inside an iframe. Now the second one, which is about timing rather than place. Some links open a new tab instead of moving you. You click Docs, and a second tab appears. But your page object is still pointing at the old one. So how do you get hold of the new one? Here is the obvious way to write it, and it does not work. You click first. The tab opens straight away. And only then do you start listening for it. By that point, the pop-up has already come and gone. Now swap the 2 lines around. Start listening first. Then, inside that block, do the click. The tab opens into something that is already waiting for it, and you get back a whole new page object. Here it is for real. Line 1 sets the trap and starts listening. Line 2 does the click, and notice it is indented, so it happens inside the block. Then you read the new page out of it. And your original page still works exactly as before. And that new page is a real page, not some special pop-up thing. You can check its title. You can type into it. Everything you already know still works on the tab you just caught. And remember the shape, because you will meet it again. Set the trap, then trigger it. Downloads and file pickers use the very same pattern. Last check. Why must the click go inside the with block? Pause here if you want a longer look. Ready? The answer is B. Playwright has to be listening before the pop-up happens. So, 3 lines to remember. A frame is a page inside a page, so step inside it first. A new tab is a whole new page. And always start listening before you click. Next time, dialogues, uploads, and downloads. The whole course is free at the Playwright Dojo.